Today I'm going to share how I like to use the Ere Perez Aloe Gel Lash and Brow Mascara. This is a 2-in-1 multitasker, perfect for those no makeup days that can help to lengthen your lashes and set your natural brow hairs in place. This is a gentle, natural formula infused with vitamin-rich aloe vera, making it perfect for sensitive eyes, and it's also suitable if you wear contact lenses or if you have lash extensions. I personally like to use this as step 1 in my brow routine, and I'll take the spoolie and comb it through my natural brows, allow them to set in place, and then I'll take my favorite brow pencil and fill in any sparse areas. By doing the brow gel first instead of the pencil, I'm going to create a much lighter and more natural look instead of going in too heavy-handed with the pencil first and finding it hard to eliminate the product rather than just add a bit more if I need it. So I like to start by applying in an upwards motion, and in the middle I just kind of brush them in a little bit just to separate the natural brow hairs, and I can always comb them down later on. So as you can see, this has just helped to groom my brows and make them look neater. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite brow pencil and just fill in any areas that I need it with a light hand. I also find that if I use the spoolie on the end of my brow pencil, after I've applied the pencil, it just helps to blend the pencil into with my natural brow hairs, but it also just helps to soften the gel if it has gotten a little tough or sticky in certain areas. To apply as a mascara, you just use it exactly as you would any other mascara. You take it at the base of the lash, wiggle it through, and then drag through to create length and definition of each lash.